4 ways to make money fast with your phone. If there is one item we make sure we never forget when we leave the house, it's our smartphone. You are more likely to leave your wallet and driver's license than your phone. Is this good or bad? Well, unlike a wallet that makes it easy to spend money, there are numerous ways you can make money with your smartphone, even when you forget your wallet. So here are 4 ways to make money fast with your phone. If you are new to this channel, hit that red subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell to get notifications of all our latest posts. 1. Perform micro tasks from your phone. One of the favorite ways to make money with a smartphone is by performing micro tasks, such as the daily surveys, watching videos, playing games, and searching the web. Sometimes it will feel as if these tasks aren't even work. In most cases, you only need 15 minutes or less to complete the job and you get paid. And there is a wide variety of earning opportunities, so you should never get bored. Some examples are swagbucks, inbucks dollars, my points, cash crate, instaGC, mechanical turk. 2. Make money from your phone selling online. We all have something we can sell to make some quick cash when it's needed most, or even to provide a consistent stream of side income. Either you want to sell used items, you want to drop ship, or maybe you even manufacture your own products. These are the ways you can sell online, ranging from books, CDs, to any kinds of goods you can think of. Here are some examples: Book Scouter, Declutter, Fope, Amazon, Let Go, Gift Card Granny, AliExpress, eBay, and Craigslist. 3. Make money on your phone from mobile apps. You might have half a dozen apps you use on a regular basis to listen to podcasts, bank online, shop, check the weather, and to receive GPS driving directions. Why not use an app that can help you make money as well? Examples are Jobs to Shop, Peribus, Clarity Money, Ibotta, Mobi, Ebates. For an app like Ebates, you can get 1% to 40% cash back on nearly any online purchase. 4. Get paid to take a survey from your mobile phone. Another popular and easy way to make money with your phone is by completing paid surveys. Retailers, product developers, and many Fortune 500 companies are looking for your opinion, and they will pay you for it. Examples are Survey Junkie, Panel Payday, Toluna, Opinion Outpost, Vindale Research, and more. A lot of people go from making these part-time income to a full-time income. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your phone and start making money now. We will leave links to all these apps and websites in the description box below. And in our next video, we will be explaining each of these ways of making money in detail. We hope this video is helpful. If so, like, share, subscribe, and leave your opinion in the comment section below.